Well, hey, and welcome to another ICH2 video. This is quite a special review video. This is a review with a difference because it is a twin review. Ta-da! There we go. Two train sets, and you're going to get to pick which one you want to watch. On my right here, or whether that's your left or right, I don't know, we have got the rather basic Hornby GWR passenger freight train set. So you get a pretty basic 040 locomotive, you get a couple of wagons, a coach, and then that's it, basically. Of course you get track and you get a basic analog slash DC controller, along with an oval of track, a siding, and your track mat. But it's pretty basic. And then on my left, again, whatever that was to you, whether it was your right or left, you've got a much more advanced train set. You've got a pannier tank locomotive for a start, which is a really quite nice 060 locomotive. It's not the finest pannier tank you can get, Bachmann do that, but it's pretty good, it's not bad. It's certainly better than the little 040 one you get there. Again, you get a couple of wagons and a brake van. You get your track, you get siding, you get your track mats. But what makes this set quite special, really quite special, is that it's digital. So, and it's not just digital, but it's the E-Link system. It's the brand new E-Link system, which just plugs into your laptop, and then you use your laptop to control the layout. So that's pretty fancy. So two very different sets, even though they are both, you know, Great Western themed for some reason. But yeah, which would you like to look at? Please make your choice now.